Hello, welcome to Business Zero to Superhero, your one-stop shop for everything entrepreneurial. I'm Graham Jules, and in this video we'll be looking at new tokens on Cardano, how to find them. So you want to find hot new tokens on the Cardano blockchain. In this video we look at how to do just that. Cardano is consistently in the top 10 of blockchains in the crypto universe by market cap, but it's often overlooked by many involved in cryptocurrency. Cardano was founded by Charles Hoskinson, who was also an early founder of Ethereum, until he fell out with his co-founder Vitalik Buterin to eventually leave and form Cardano. Cardano, unlike Ethereum, verifies on-chain transactions via a proof-of-stake POS system, where node validators stake the Cardano native token ADA to verify transactions. Ethereum and Bitcoin, on the other hand, at the time of recording this video, utilizes proof of work POW, which requires validators to carry out algorithmic puzzles to verify the blockchain. This requires much more CPU power and therefore energy, and is argued to be less environmentally friendly than POS. Ethereum intends to address this with the launch of a proof-of-stake Ethereum blockchain in an event widely known as the Merge. All this apparent intense competition between the top blockchains has resulted in much mudslinging by maximalists, but Cardano has several advantages: low transaction fees, low energy requirements for blockchain validation, live smart contracts, and a growing ecosystem of dApps and exchanges or DEXs. What's more, there's a growing list of projects and tokens launched on Cardano that could present serious opportunities for risk-taking investors. But how do we find these projects? Here we go. CardanoCube.io. CardanoCube.io can give potential investors a list of new tokens on Cardano. Of course, the number of projects currently listed is significantly smaller than that of Ethereum, but Cardano is growing very quickly since the launch of smart contracts in September 2021. Projects are listed under headings such as dApps, launchpads, DEXs, etc., making it easy to see the type of project you're looking for, and a simple click on the logo will take you to the project page where more information and a link to the project website and white paper can be found. All projects are verified by the CardanoCube.io team, so the projects listed should be genuine, but you should be advised, as with all crypto investments, to do your own research. muesliswap DEX. muesliswap was the first DEX decentralized exchange to go live on Cardano. The user interface is easy to navigate. Just select Markets at the top of the page and then All, and you'll see a full list of all available tokens listed on the DEX. muesliswap does label projects as verified if the project meets certain criteria, but once again it's highly recommended you carry out your own research. Click on a token logo and this brings up lots of information such as price, market cap and recent transactions. A nice clear graph of historic price is given, as well as links to the project website and Cardano blockchain research tool, Cardano Scan. minswap DEX. minswap is another DEX on Cardano. The user interface is fairly easy to navigate. Just go to the main page, click on Launch, and you'll be presented with a list of tokens to research. Unfortunately, there are no direct links to project websites, so you'll have to do a little more digging here to get more information apart from the current price and recent transactions. Wingriders DEX. Wingriders is another DEX on Cardano. The interface is considerably slick. Here you can view new tokens by clicking Enter on the home page and selecting tokens in the drop-down at the top of the next page. Here you are given the current price of the token, the volume and the ability to swap your ADA for your token of choice. SundaySwap DEX. Finally, SundaySwap is another DEX on Cardano well worth taking a look at. Final thoughts. In order to purchase your shiny new tokens, you'll need to set up a Cardano compatible wallet. If you don't have one yet, check out this video. And don't forget to pick up some pop-up world tokens PUW on the way. It's important to remember that this video is by no means financial advice. Remember to do your own research and stay safe. Crypto is extremely volatile and you should resist going all in on a project, as you're likely to lose more than you can afford. Good luck. Don't forget to like and subscribe on the bad boy below if you find this video useful. Also, check out the links below for more info on Pop-Up World, the Pop-Up World token, and Pop-Up World staking. See you later.